and welcome to this tutorial. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to create a website using the web-based program Weebly that makes it very simple for dropping and adding elements to your web page. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the website, and it's found at www.weebly.com. You just type it into your browser and it'll take you there. And you need to sign up for your page by typing in a username, creating a password, and putting in your email. It'll ask you right here to type the 2 words in so that they know you're a person. Then you just click sign up, and it's as easy as that. Once you've signed up, they'll send you an email to verify, and then you're ready to come back here and sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in with your username and password, this will pop up on your screen, and they'll want you to enter a title for your website. So for this one, I'll just type in sample site, and then you need to choose a type of site, and probably you'll choose education, a category, and I'm a teacher, and then continue. Now you need to choose a name for your website. You can skip it and choose it later if you're not sure, but usually it's just best to type in your name or something. I'll type in Teacher Olive right now, and that's available, and then continue. Okay, now this will be what your home page initially looks like. You can see the page is empty, and you're going to drag your elements here, and this is just the standard screen that pops up. To change the picture up here, you go up to Design, click Design, and you can choose any of these images right here. You can scroll to the right and see the different images to choose from, and as soon as you choose one and click it, it will change your site to look how you would like it to. So let me just choose one that looks educationally themed. Here's one of students looking at a computer screen. I kind of just like the standard clouds. There's grass at the bottom to keep things simple. Okay, now let's go back up here and click on Elements once you have the design that you like. And here's all the things that you will actually be adding to your website. A paragraph with a title, which is just simply a paragraph that has some title text that the beginning that's larger, paragraph with a picture, title, paragraph, video. But if you notice on video, there's that orange word Pro right there. That means that only those users that have paid for a subscription to Weebly can use that. A contact form, 2-column layout. You can add an HTML, and Google AdSense is actually, if you want to add a bar over here on the right of your screen that will run ads where you can earn some money from your website. But obviously for educational purposes, that's probably not something you would want on a school website. So let's just drag one of these elements down. I'm going to put paragraph with title right here. Oh, and Weebly has that error again. Just refresh. Okay, paragraph with title. Drag it down here. You immediately, this comes up with each element. Click to edit. You click, and all you need to do is start typing in. So my title could be This Week's Social Studies, and that's my title. And then the paragraph is smaller underneath, so then you start typing the body of your paragraph. Whatever you wanted to say. After you're finished editing an element, such as this paragraph with title, just click outside of it, and that's there. And when you scroll back over it, you'll see this little bubble pop up over it. If you decide that you do not want it anymore, then you can come click this red X. If you want to keep typing in it, click back in that bubble. You click that red X, it asks if you want to delete it or not. I don't want to delete this one. Alright, let's add a picture. Bring that picture on down here. It's going to give you some options. You can select an image from your computer. You can choose a file right here. You can select a picture from a photo gallery. They have some preloaded photos for you. Most of them aren't showing up right now. And you could select a photo from the internet. And you can type in a URL of an image that you want. I'll just choose one of these pre-existing photos that they have for us. And see, it comes up. You can add a caption to it. You can edit it if you want to make it larger. You can move it around in here just by dragging it. And then click out when you're done. Now, if you want to add another page up here where you see your navigation bar, and all we have so far is the home page, come on up here to Pages and click Add Page. You get to name your new page whatever you want. So you could make a page strictly for homework assignments. And you can choose, if you don't want the page to show up in the navigation menu, you can click here. If you want to password protect this page, that is a pro option, so you would need to pay for it. Where if you wanted only specific students or parents or people to be able to see that page, you could. You can link the page to an external site, such as maybe your school website. Alright, let's save these settings. And now you see up here in our navigation bar, we have home and homework assignments. We're on the home page right now, so I'm going to click on homework assignments. And the page is empty because we haven't dragged any elements. Just to show you what this does, I'm going to drag the contact form down here. And that automatically pops up. And what this is when visitors come to your site, they can type in their first and last name, their email address, and any questions or comments they have for you. And when they hit submit, it will automatically send this comment to the email address that you have signed up for your account with. So that's a pretty neat tool to use with your parents and your students. They can contact you pretty immediately from the website. Your site settings, you really never need to get in and play around with. You can get in here if you decide you want to change your site title. So mine's sample site right now. I can change it to class website, save. Now you can see that class website shows up right here. I'm trying to move this so you can see. Once you're finished editing and you've added what you want to add, all you have to do is go up here to Publish. To make it public, it'll make it where when people visit your site, they see what you just added. It'll say website published. You can share the link on Facebook or on Twitter. All this is right here is they're wanting me to buy the domain name, which I really don't want to do, but I can show you what, if I hit continue, then it will give me the option of purchasing actually a website by that name, which is not necessary. You already have this free website, so you don't really need to do that. So I'm just going to click the X. It's just as simple as that. Once you publish it, you still go back in and make changes as you need to, as many times as you need to, add whatever you would like to add. It's just really a matter of playing around with things. Now I have a 2-column layout, so I can add a picture over here if I wanted to. Again, you can choose a file. If you upload a file from your computer, it will scan for viruses before it puts it on there. In the past couple of days, actually, Weebly's been running a little bit slow on virus scanning. They're usually pretty fast with it, but yesterday and today it's been running slow. You can drag your paragraph over here to put a caption to go with the photo if you want. Just whatever you want to do. It's yours to play around with. And see what happened is I tried to delete that 2-column layout, but first I need to delete the photo I added and the paragraph I added, and then I can delete the 2-column layout. So that's about all there is to it. You choose your design, you add your pages, add as many as you want to go across here, you drag and drop what you want in there, and then you publish. I just made some changes, so I'll hit publish. Every time that you're finished working, if it's how you want the website to appear on the internet, then click publish. When you're done, just close out. It'll take you right back to your page, and you see that there's a link where I can create a site for a free subscription to Weebly, you can create up to 2 sites. So here we are. I'm going to go on and log out. And that is how you create a Weebly website.